can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Oh, new day on the boat, very sunny, quite noisy. The boys next door are doing some grinding on Mars. I'm going to be doing some structural stuff inside the boat, cutting stuff out. You're going to be doing some more detailed scraping. So let's get on with it. No time like the present. Stop enjoying the sun and get inside that dark boat and do some work.
Okay.
All right, kiss.
Can see it.
Kiss. All right. So my job today is to remove these two pipes. They're basically the only thing that's sort of like, if I come over here, they're the only thing that's kind of sticking up above the main floor. These two pipes were part of the old toilet system. The boat was first built. These pipes were basically what you shat into. You shit into it and it goes straight out into the water. We don't want to have that sort of system anymore, and they're just kind of in the way. We're going to cut these out, we're going to weld in patches, completely remove that part of the old shit. Our plans for what we're going to do to the boat don't include a pipe that we can shit directly into the water. It's time to get those out. Wash them hands, Mariah. Wash them hands.
Never come out.
Just had an interesting conversation with the local shipbuilder. Our original plan for this boat was to take the engine out, find somewhere to stick it. He's strongly recommending we don't do that. What he's recommending we do, chop the boat in half and shorten it to be able to sail the boat, and then it gives us a lot more option. But of course, the problem with that is that an extra 15 grand just to shorten the boat. That's a lot of our budget eaten up already. We haven't made any decisions yet. More on this story to come. Change of plan this afternoon. I am going down into the engine room full of sludge. This all needs to be cleaned out. Lucky me. End of the day, covered in muck. I think quite a successful day. I feel like I've done quite a lot, even though we haven't really worked on any one particular thing. I mean, you've done a lot of scraping.
It took a while before we really started, I think.
We cut some stuff out of the middle of the boat. We talked to some people. We made some decisions. Maybe feels like it's been quite an important day, but like I don't really know what I've done.
Yeah.
It's been a lovely day. It's been lovely and sunny.
Oh, there's spider webs in the fucking car.
And
what the fuck?
little bit of cake going home. Feel like I've got something in my eyes. Good day, Mariah.
Yeah, good day.
Looking forward to tomorrow. All right.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling t-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.